The Dakar Rally 2026 is about to start, and I want to give you a quick overview about the most important facts. The 48th edition of the Dakar Rally will run from the 3rd to the 17th of January 2026. With 7,994 kilometers, it will be the longest Dakar Rally in Saudi Arabia. This year, the focus is more on the covered distance, and there won't be a 48-hour chrono stage because during the last Dakars, competitors intentionally slowed down to have a better starting position for the next day. Instead, there will be 13 classic stages with a rest day in Riyadh and even 2 stages with no support overnight. So the Dakar will be even more demanding, although it won't go through the anti-quarter this year. In terms of competitors, Dacia will now compete with 4 cars as World Rallyway champion Lucas Moraes joins the ProDrive team, now with the German co-driver Dennis Senz. And Nasser Al-Attiyah changed his co-driver again. He surprisingly parted ways with his long-term co-driver Mathieu Baumel in 2024 after winning multiple Dakars and championships. Baumel was surprised by being fired after the 2024 Dakar, and you can learn all about the disastrous Dakar 2024 in my other video. Baumel joined the Mevius for the 2025 Dakar, where they could reach 18th place overall. Unfortunately, Baumel was involved in a tragic road accident just 1 week after the Dakar 2025, while helping a broken-down car, was in a coma, lost his right leg, and is now fighting his way back to motorsport. In 2025, Al-Attiyah was driving with Eduardo Boulanger and was now suggesting to the team to swap his co-pilot with Sebastian Loeb. So Loeb will now drive with Boulanger, which helps because they get along well and speak the same language. And Al-Attiyah will drive with Fabian Lerkren. Also, Al-Attiyah will compete with the last number of the car category, the 299. The 79-year-old Dakar legend Strugo will compete again with the number 278 in an MD buggy with Corvette LS3 engine. Ford heavily updated their Raptor and will compete with 8 new and old Raptors. We will take a closer look at the technical update in a separate video. Also, Martin Prokop competes with a 2025 Works Raptor for the first time, instead of his own T1 Plus car, about which you can learn everything in my other videos. And the Polish Gottschall family strikes back. After smashing every stage 2 years ago, followed by a disappointing and political disqualification, they didn't compete in 2025 over a dispute with the organizers. And now, in 2026, they are back. And not just anywhere, but in the top category with 3 T1 Plus Toyota Hilux trucks. And some secret VIPs. Mark Mateschitz, son of the founder and now boss of Red Bull, will compete under the fake name Mark Mustermann in the number 267 Toyota Hilux T1 Plus, although he usually tries to stay out of the news. And also his girlfriend, Victoria Swarovski, will compete under the fake name Vic Flip and drive the number 332 Maverick buggy. Both are driving for the Rally team. The German PS Laser team will bring 2 VW Amarok T1 Plus trucks with Nissan GT-R engine to the grid. Next to Daniel Schröder, his father Jürgen joins to complete his 10th Dakar edition after a couple of years' break. Another interesting car to watch will be the Nissan GT-R powered Land Rover Defender T1 Plus truck with the number 254. In total, we have 71 cars competing this year, among them 4 Dacias, 3 X-Rate Minis, 8th Century CR7s, which can become a very popular rally raid car after some teething issues last year, and an amazing 19 Toyota Hilux trucks. Also, we see an increase in Chinese teams with interesting vehicles, and we will take a closer look at this separately. So there's a lot to look forward to, and let me know who is your favorite in the comments below, and become a B-Sport Club member for early access and more videos like this. See you next time.